We're talking about something a lot of people feel but don't always say out loud. The quiet fear that I might replace us at work.
Yeah, that nagging question, will AI take my job? Am I becoming irrelevant? And what do people do? They jump straight to asking AI, which jobs will disappear? Or what skills should I learn to survive?
Right. I gives confident answers about automation and future skills. But here's the thing. Fear doesn't just disappear because of predictions. That's where the TAJ framework helps.
TAJ stands for Think, Ask, Judge. It's a simple way to manage AI anxiety. First, think. Really understand what you're afraid of. Then ask AI strategically, not from fear. Finally, judge. Make deliberate decisions about your growth.
That order is important. It slows down the rush of fear and brings clarity. The first step is the identity clarifier. Often, the fear isn't just about losing a job or income. It's about losing identity, status, or control.
Exactly. So before rushing to learn new skills, pause and ask yourself, what am I really afraid of losing? Is it my expertise? My relevance? If you get this wrong, you might chase the wrong skills.
Next is the human advantage mapper. This is about what humans uniquely bring: judgment, context, relationships, lived experience, ethics, even taste.
I can generate content or automate tasks, but it can't carry accountability or deep human context. If you only see AI as a competitor, you miss how it can actually augment your work.
Then comes using AI strategically. Instead of asking, will I be replaced? Ask, which tasks in my job can AI automate and which need human judgment? Or, how can I use AI to increase my leverage?
That's a big shift. AI is great at breaking down tasks, mapping automation, and suggesting related skills. But if you ask from fear, you get alarming answers. Ask strategically, and you get leverage maps.
After that, it's evaluation. Reflect on which skills can't be automated, where AI can boost your productivity, and which skills offer the best return on investment.
It's the difference between fear-driven upskilling, reactive, and strategic upskilling. Deliberate. Only you can choose your path. I can't do that for you.
Finally, the commitment stage. Complete this sentence. I will invest in strengthening blank because it compounds my human advantage. That restores your agency.
AI isn't a replacement. It's a leverage multiplier, but only if you use it consciously.
So why does this matter now? If you see AI only as a threat, you shrink. If you see it only as a tool, you drift. But using TAJ helps you stabilize. Think clearly about your real fear. Ask strategically about leverage. And judge deliberately about investment.
To wrap up, I can automate tasks, but it can't replace human judgment. Think, ask, judge. I can help you see options, but you still have to decide your path.
Well said. That's a solid way to approach AI without fear or drift. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, everyone. Take care and think wisely.